Okay, ED series Cornelius soda dispenser, or I guess soda machine. So complaint is that we are getting dripping from the Dr. Pepper when we dispense. So we're gonna just pull our cover. When we do dispense, we do have bubbling. So we're gonna throw some gloves on, take this off, and see what we got going on. Hopefully it's easy. Might not be. We'll find out. All right, I'm taking you along for the journey. Let's see what we got. And that is a cracked diffuser. So, let's find us a new diffuser, swap this out, see if that takes care of the problem. Found a replacement, no cracks. And see if that solves our problem. Could also be an O-ring, but nah, it needs a fresh O-ring. Alright, even with the different diffuser, we're getting a little bit of leaking yet, so we're going to swap this out. Typically you don't have to pop this off, but I'm going to pop it off just so we can see what we're doing here a little bit. And as you take stuff apart, if it needs to get cleaned, go and clean it. It's not the end of the world. Like, that's going to have to get sanitized. And what I'm looking at here is actually an O-ring right there. Now I did sanitize my screwdriver quick, so we're just gonna, oh my goodness. So we're just gonna get after this, pop him down, take our fresh sanitized O-ring, pop him on. I'm gonna go sanitize the part that I just dropped on the floor quick, and then we'll pop that back on, and then we will put this back in service. Alright, so when you're putting this guy back together, I like to disconnect my switch, so it just makes it a little bit easier. Or you can live on the edge and do it live, that's fine too, but then you're just gonna make a big mess. So he clicks into place. Got our diffuser. And then we shouldn't have any leaking anymore. Just a hair bit still. Interesting. Let's try a different diffuser again. Alright, try number 3. So I think that one had a little bit of a cut in it. So now we're locked in. I'm just gonna pull the banjo. And you can see no issue. Beautiful. So there you go. Who would have thunk? Too bad. Sometimes that's all it takes. Oh, and a fresh O-ring. Never hurts. Alright, hope that helps.